Menteri Badai Kemi Yakatanat Puli kat Sorkar Jylla upa Lakmen Rymbui ulaong bag Sorkar Jylla kadang taulenti ban pyrkhat nakaliang Jakarta ki nonghikai kontrak ki balapas ek Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test ban yo rungkam hikai. Ya kani ula jubab ya kajingkli kilat pathai kubur hadin kajing kendu bat ki noy lam jong ki nonghikai kontrak ha kano apai singi jong nyo trek risau arjar arpuar ki bala keli ya Sorkar lakan ai lat ne emi ki nonghikai kontrak ki be ki menta ban yele biang ya ka examen MTET ulaong bagi nonghikai kontrak kila kerpat ban taulenti bat ka Sorkar kalayarap ha kalyang karta bat ki weipat Henry nalor kini kidan ki balong persya ya ka hukum yeng kasari uba Rymbui ulaong ru ban naduk ki snam baladap la ai lat iki nonghikai kontrak ban yele iki examen Henry kimsyam lapas.
I call a meeting on the person who are striking for the last many days to clarify the position of the government based on all the legality within the parameter of the law. Because this is not a new issue. The contractual teachers have met me several times since 2015, and at that time I make ample clear that TET is a reality. So kindly prepare for TET because it is a reality now. Because Section 23 of Atiar has specified that appointment of the teachers for elementary education is as per norm prescribed by regulatory authority, that is NCTE. So NCTE has prescribed. But during this period of time, 2012, 13, 14, since many of the teachers in service teachers many have not acquired the minimum qualification. So the government, for those who have not acquired the minimum qualification of 45% for student right, we have given a chance to appear again and again and again the emboss exam so that they could attain the minimum mark of 45%. Number two, and that also we extend 2-3 times, not only one, not only twice, 3-4 times, 5 times we have extended. Number two, since DLED also is one of the criteria for the appointment of the teachers, so the government of Meghalaya tie up with NIOS so that all the in-service teachers could complete their DLED through NIOS, and that also that we extend time and again. And the last batch, which because the NCTE, the NIOS have given only few times for them to complete the 45%, but many, I should not tell about many, some they have passed the DLED but they could not pass the 45% in time. That also the matter after the attempt, the NIOS had conveyed that they will be done. So in 2018, when they with me, they told, sir, because many of us will be on the wrong side of age because we are over age. I told, don't worry, for age, the government will do something to enhance the age. And education department is the first department who enhanced the age from 32 to 37 years for the benefit of the contractual teachers who take time to meet the regulatory authority. After that, then the government conducted the TET, and regular appointment have also been made in all the district of the state except the Dengiri subdivision. Question asked, why the Dengiri Dadengiri, it happened like this because there is a leakage of question paper when the test was conducted all over the state. So, and when we found that the leakage is confined only to the Dengiri subdivision, so the test for all the subdivision goes as usual, and result would be declared. And then the Dengiri subdivision is held afterwards, and then after the conduct of MTET in the Dengiri, we were supposed to issue advertisement. Then come the MDC election. Which model code of conduct happened? Then after preparation again to conduct the recruitment process in the Dengiri, then by-election come. And finally, the government have advertised the post in the Dengiri. Subsequently, the judgment of Honorable High Court come to implement the roster system because we could not conduct the exam even once. That's why those teachers they continue on the contractual basis. And in 2020, the Honorable High Court also has passed the judgment that uh, the contractual teachers have no right for regularized session. So I have explained to them that this is the constraint. Regularized session is out of question. But the government will, because 3-4 months back, the contractual teachers, many of them have passed their MTET, but they are again on the wrong side of age. So today I conveyed to them what I can do, what the government can do is that a one-time condonation of age could be given so that they could appear for the recruitment process. So this is the maximum thing as of now, which we as the government will do. So, and regularization is out of question. But we will take a call. Not again. I have committed for those MTET who have cleared the MTET, those contractual teachers, we will condone the age.
Again, it will an extent.
One time for them.
Till what age?
I will tell at the appropriate time when notification.
So for how many teachers, ma?
I don't have the record with me because the representation they are giving to me is the list is very long, but I didn't count the number. Because even one also, if I have a way to help, I will help. That is the maximum which I have told. That is the maximum the government could do, and we cannot do anything more. Whatever we do, if we do, as they said, it is a contempt of court. Cannot do anything.